Behind the labels and high prices lies a story of economic power, global supply chains, and one country's unmatched dominance: China. Luxury brands sell more than products. They sell stories. Stories of Italian leather, Parisian design, and artisan craftsmanship. But the truth? Many of these products are made for a fraction of their price, sometimes under $100, even when sold for thousands. Not because they're fake, but because of where and how they're made. China didn't become the world's factory overnight. In the 1980s and 90s, the Chinese government began transforming rural areas into massive special economic zones, industrial hubs with tax breaks, infrastructure, and access to ports. By the early 2000s, China had a massive low-cost workforce, seamless logistics across cities, a complete ecosystem of suppliers, from zippers to processors, and cluster manufacturing, entire cities specializing in just one product category. Whether it's electronics in Shenzhen, garments in Guangzhou, or packaging in Yiwu, China's scale is unmatched. Luxury brands took notice. While their marketing remains focused on made in France or made in Italy, much of the production is done elsewhere. Investigations found brands using Chinese-owned subcontractors in Italy, employing migrant workers under harsh conditions, allowing the product to legally say, "Made in Italy." The craftsmanship? Questionable. The branding? Immaculate. Many argue, why not just bring manufacturing back to America? Here's why it's not that simple. Labor costs. U.S. wages are exponentially higher, which increases unit costs. Factory density. America lacks dense industrial clusters like China. Each component may require shipment across states. Supplier networks. China's supply chains are local. In the U.S., many have been offshored or never existed. Workforce training. Decades of industrial decline mean fewer trained machinists, technicians, and production managers. Rebuilding that capacity would take years, if not decades, and billions in investment. In 2025, the U.S. raised tariffs on Chinese goods, in some cases over 100%. Luxury brands like Hermès responded not by moving production, but by raising prices in the U.S. market. And instead of reshoring to America, many brands simply shifted to Vietnam, India, or Bangladesh, countries with labor profiles similar to China's. Maybe, but not by copying China. America's opportunity lies in high-tech manufacturing, robotics and automation, sustainable and ethical production, and premium, transparent branding, not fake heritage. Consumers are starting to care more about how something is made, not just where. This is where the U.S. can lead, by building a new definition of luxury based on innovation, ethics, and quality. Before your next big purchase, ask yourself, what am I really paying for? Because in the global marketplace of perception, the real luxury isn't the logo. It's knowing the story behind the price tag. Comment your views and subscribe Infinox more such videos.